Let's start our discussion with 2026 January PO Maths P1 paper. So let's get into the first question. The first question is all about differentiation and integration. So since we have a y function here, so let's simplify this further so that it will be easy for differentiation and integration. So we can see y equals 4x to the power 3 plus 3 over 2, and this is going to be root x. So we know root x is the x to the power half. Because of that, we can write it here. This is x to the power half minus 8. Now if we further simplify it, we can see, okay, the first part can remain unchanged. This is there, and whenever there's a power in the denominator, we can take it to the up, but the power will be a negative. This is negative half minus 8. So this is my y function. Now let's move to the question number 1. For the a part, to get the dy over dx, we can do the first 4 is here, and the 3, when the 3 comes to the front, this one will be 3 minus 1 power, and the 3 divided by 2 is there unchanged, and then you get the negative half power to the front, and this will be negative half minus 1. And we know the negative 8, this one will give 0, so we need not to write it. If we see the final answer here, it would be 12x to the power 2 minus 3 over 4 x to the power negative 3 over 2. Yeah, this is our final answer. That will make up to get our 3 marks here. Okay, now the differentiation question completed. Now let's move to the part B. For the part B, we have to do integration. So we do this 4x to the power 3 plus 3 over 2 x to the power negative half minus 8 dx. This is what we have. So here the 4 will be there, and if you take this part out, you can see it's gonna be x to the power 4 divided by 4. So if you wonder why the 4 comes is, you have to do this 3 plus 1. That is our concept. And for the next one, it would be, okay, we have this number and then x to the power. Okay, now we have to do negative half minus plus 1, sorry, negative half plus 1, so that we know that's going to be positive half. The positive half divided by positive half, and the minus 8. Now here we can see it's x to the power. If you consider like a x power, since there is no power, it can be considered as x to the power 0. So because we all know anything to the power 0 will be 1. So we can consider here there is x to the power 0. So if we see now, 0 plus 1 is 1 divided by 1. So in that way, our final answer would be, this 4 gets cut off, so it's x to the power 4, and this 3 over 2 divided by half, that's gonna be 3, x to the power half minus 8x. We know such questions, when we do the integration, we're gonna put the c here. So this is our answer for the B part, which will give you 3 marks here as well.